Good day. This is Christina on the Day Watch at the Fleetweather Ocean Routing Center in New York. It is 16Z on June 23rd, and I'll be giving a brief overview of conditions expected in the North Pacific Ocean over the next few days. First, taking a look at satellite imagery, there's a gale force system in the western Sea of Japan, another gale south of the western Aleutians, and a low off the western coast of the US and Canada. Sandwiched in between these lows, we see a few weak high-pressure systems. Taking a look at the GFS, the system in the Sea of Japan will deepen as it moves northeastward towards the Sea of Akash, where it will meander and gradually weaken over the next few days. The other two low pressure systems will gradually weaken as well as high pressure builds in the central portion of the basin, as well as in the Gulf of Alaska. As you can see, generally benign weather conditions are expected in the northern North Pacific over the next several days. Now moving on to any tropics concerns. There is a tropical storm, Celia, in the eastern Pacific located off of Mexico's western coast. Here is NHC forecasted track of this system. As you can see, it is expected to strengthen to a hurricane early on the 25th as it moves northwestward. Looking at the Euro's ensemble members, there's a pretty good agreement with the general track of the system moving northwestward. And per usual, the further out in time, we do see the forecasted tracks becoming more widespread. Lastly, looking at conditions forecasted by the GFS, the system becomes more organized late on the 24th into the 25th, where we will likely begin to see hurricane force winds. Looking at significant wave heights, 4 to 5 meter seas are expected, which will build up to 6 meters on the 24th, and very rough seas can be seen just south of Baja California on the 26th. From the Fleetweather Center in New York, this has been Christina with an overview of the North Pacific Ocean. Stay connected and safe.